Hello and welcome to our training video. In this video, you will learn how to configure the keypad range in TownVOTE. Please note that each base needs to be configured to a specific set of keypad ID numbers. Also, if you are using multiple bases, each base needs a unique ID number to be recognized by the software. Begin by opening the EasyVote Connect application. Navigate to the settings panel in the top right. Here, select the Connect icon to connect the software to your base. Please wait while I establish connection. Then, you may enter a new base ID or the desired keypad range, and then select the update icon to save your settings. If you are using our EasyVote PowerPoint plugin, this should be it. All keypads that are configured to work within the keypad range, or ranges for each of the connected receivers, should work now. If you are using the TownVOTE Voting and Elections app, then one more step is needed. Please open the TownVOTE app from the Apps tab. Then, go to the Participants page and select the Keypad Range menu. Here you may enter the keypad range that encompasses the whole range, all connected receivers. So if base ID 1 is set to 1 to 500 and base ID 2 is set to 500 and 1 to 1000, then the keypad range must be 1 to 1000. In this example, my base was set to ID numbers 1 to 2000 within EasyVote Connect, so I will reflect that range here in TownVOTE. Thank you for watching this training on how to configure the keypad range in TownVOTE. If you have any questions, please contact our support team or visit our knowledge base. Links will be provided on screen and in the video description.